Adults, this episode is for you. So what are some added benefits of straightening your teeth other than making them look nicer? We're going to go through an example here, but what I'm finding with a lot more adults nowadays that are coming in for treatment, the other added benefits that they're looking for other than straight teeth to have an improved smile is that they're noticing that over time their teeth are shifting, and they're noticing that that's getting worse and worse and worse over time. And that makes it more difficult to keep those teeth clean, and it's also changing their bite. Their bite is feeling more uncomfortable. Over time, what that leads to is some discomfort in the TMJ, the temporal mandibular joints. So up here, when you're chewing, these joints are very active. And if your bite is off, this sometimes can get quite sore. And so we're noticing that a lot of adults are coming in and they're wanting some relief there, as well as straightening their teeth. We're going to take a look at this example here, and this is of an adult patient that came to us, and she was concerned that her teeth are shifting, and she's noticed that that crowding has gotten really bad, and she's worried that it's going to become even worse. So looking at her scan of the lower teeth now, we notice that there's quite a significant amount of crowding that's happening. With this crowding, it's influencing her bite as well. So as the teeth are shifting, we notice that the bite is very heavy in the front. There's a lot of wear happening on those teeth because of the forces. The teeth are much shorter. You can see there's some chipping going on those two front teeth. And if we focus in on those lower teeth here, we can see that they're very sharp because of the wear pattern on those teeth. So oftentimes when our adults are coming in for treatments, they're looking at, how do I improve my smile? Of course, that is one of our main considerations, but what are the added benefits to straightening your teeth? Well, we talked about how in this particular case, this patient was biting very heavy and they were chipping and wearing those front teeth down. And over time, as that happens, those teeth are going to realign themselves and there's going to be more chipping and wearing happening over time. So we want to be able to straighten out this patient's teeth, change the bite so that there's not so much force on those front teeth, and put those teeth in a position where she can have those teeth restored and make those teeth look more natural and more aesthetic looking as well. So let's look here at the different views. These are the top teeth currently. What we're showing our patients when we have our consultations nowadays using all this technology is showing what the teeth can look like after alignment. So these again are the top teeth. And then on this side of the screen, we're showing our patients what their teeth can look like once their teeth are aligned and the dentist restores those teeth. So putting some filling materials on those teeth, or even sometimes our patients are requesting to get some veneers on those teeth. So this is what that's showing right there. Looking at the bottom teeth, so again, you can notice that there's significant crowding. We want to realign those teeth. Looking at this view, we're noticing that the teeth are going to be in better alignment. We're going to improve the bite here so that there's some relief here. Those teeth are not connecting as heavy as before. And then on this side of the screen, again, showing the bite after some dental restorative procedures. We like using this visual here so we can show our patients their teeth currently, after orthodontic treatment, and then finally, this is like the cherry on the top, showing their teeth once their dental procedures are done and those teeth are restored. The last thing we like to show our patients is the effect that it has on their smile. So showing their teeth currently while they smile, showing their teeth once their teeth are aligned, and then once their teeth are aligned with some dental restorative work as well. So you can really appreciate how, yes, the alignment is going to make a significant improvement on the smile, a significant improvement on the bite, but to restore those teeth back to their full shape and size, this dental procedure afterwards is of huge benefit. Lastly, for this particular patient, as she's going through her treatment, she has noticed, because her bite is also getting that relief in the front, she's noticed how it's influencing her TMJ and that it's feeling much more relief nowadays and it's not feeling as tense. So she's very happy not only with what we've done for her teeth, but also for her TMJ health. If you want to learn more about orthodontics, please watch the next channel.
Oh, yeah.
So if you want to learn more about anything orthodontics, please watch the next video.